In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a GIF as animation frames in Krita. If you've ever wanted to take an existing GIF and edit it frame by frame inside Krita, this is the simplest and most reliable way to do it. By the end, you'll have your animation open and ready to tweak, paint over, or extend. First, open Krita. Give it a moment to load the workspace. You don't need a special template for this. We're not creating a new document from scratch, just bringing an existing animation into the app. Make sure you know where your GIF is saved on your computer so you can grab it quickly in the next step. Now look to the top left of the screen for the menu bar. Click File, then choose Import Animation Frames. This tells Krita you want to bring in a sequence as an animation rather than a single still image. A file browser will pop up. Navigate to your GIF, select it, and confirm. Krita will recognize the GIF as a series of frames and prepare to break it into individual images on a timeline. You'll see an import dialog with options that help control how the frames come in. If you just want a straight import, the defaults usually work well. Krita will read every frame, keep the original order, and place them on the animation timeline. If your GIF is very large or very small, you can adjust the scaling here so it fits your preferred canvas size. If the GIF's playback speed feels off, you can look at the frame rate setting. Leaving it as is will match the GIF, but you can tweak it if you know you need a different timing. When you're satisfied, confirm the import. Once the import finishes, you're done. Krita will display the first frame on the canvas, and you'll see the full set of frames laid out in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. That means the GIF is now a proper animation inside your project, with each frame ready for editing. You can scrub through the timeline to check the sequence, paint or retouch frame by frame, add new layers for non-destructive edits, and extend the animation if you want. If you press play in the animation controls, you'll get a quick preview of how it looks using the timing that came from your GIF. That's all there is to it. You've imported your GIF into Krita as animation frames and you're ready to create. Thanks for watching and enjoy animating.